Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another presentation with me, Teech, Airil Haimi. And for this presentation, for my presentation for ELC590, for this activity, I'll be sharing with you a topical presentation on COVID-19 vaccines. The vaccines which are already out there, ready to be deployed, ready to be injected into us so that we do not get sick with the COVID-19 virus. As you know, as everyone knows, when the first time the virus came, it was so bad. It attacked many people starting in China and then across the globe. And the cause of the COVID-19 virus is not just in terms of lives. It's not just people dying, but people losing their jobs, economic costs, right? People cannot go out to make a livelihood. All of this, people cannot go to schools, children cannot go to schools, and you guys, university students cannot come back to your university because of this virus. So it is a very serious threat to humanity, but we are all very happy. We're so very happy because now out there are cool, awesome vaccines ready to be deployed, ready to be injected into us so that we do not get sick. Hopefully, praying to God we do not get sick with the COVID-19 virus. So what are our options? Well, these are some of the COVID-19 vaccines we have currently. We've got the Oxford University AstraZeneca vaccine. We've got the Moderna vaccine, Pfizer BioNTech, Gamaleya, Sinovac, Novavax, and Janssen, right? Some with a double dose, right? You take an initial dose and then you take another dose later on, also called a booster dose, right? And then with Janssen, you only take a single dose. Right? So all of these vaccines already available, already to be deployed, ready to be given to human beings as a way to protect all of us, you, me, everyone, against this very, very dangerous COVID-19 virus. But what about the effectiveness? So one of the things that people question, in this presentation, I'd like to tell you, what about the effectiveness? Well, as you can see, if we compare the vaccines we now have with the normal seasonal flu vaccines, they are all actually much better in terms of effectiveness. So for example, in the year 2010-2011, the normal flu vaccine only gives about 60% protection, but still to me, myself, I think that's good enough for us to get injected, to get vaccinated, right? As a way to protect not just ourselves, but also the people all around us. Because we need to achieve what we call herd immunity, right? Herd immunity means not everyone needs to be vaccinated, but the more, the better for society. So as you can see, in terms of vaccine effectiveness, we've got AstraZeneca, again, Sinopharm, Sputnik, Moderna, Pfizer BioNTech, and compare that also to the German measles and the polio vaccines, which have been used for many years, right? Those are very, very high because they've been in service to humanity for such a long time. This again, right? The 5 examples of COVID-19 vaccines, they should do a great job in protecting us from this very dangerous threat to humanity. So let's get vaccinated. Let's not get scared and be very, very worried about getting a vaccination. It's normal, just like any vaccinations that you've done before this. Finally, people are also worried about some of the side effects from the COVID-19 vaccines. People are worried. So, well, there are certain side effects, but Compare this to, for example, getting killed in an accident, right? That is more common, right? People die of more common causes. People don't die very easily from vaccines. So some people, we call them the anti-vaxxers. They are using examples. They are saying, when you get vaccinated, you'll definitely die. No. Don't you believe in God? Don't you trust God? And this is one way. This is our effort to fight the COVID-19 pandemic, global pandemic. And hopefully, once this virus is eradicated, life finally can get back to normal. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for listening. And I hope to see you in the next presentation. Let's fight COVID-19 together, and together we will make it. Together we will make it. Thank you so much for listening. See you again. Assalamualaikum.